What's up again? We got Costco that I wanted to do a video on. Here we're looking at the daily. And like before, I want to go ahead and mark that level because, well, a couple reasons. Right? That's the level. We got one knock, we got two knocks. Is there going to be a third knock? And I use the knock because I picked it up from Chicago stock. But how many times do you knock on a door before somebody comes to open it? Typically, you're going to knock on a door 3 times, right? So the third knock, I believe, could be coming. And if it does, is somebody going to answer? Who's going to answer or open the door for this thing to potentially break through this level? Now, why did I mark that level? It's because it's a crazy high volume. I always mark the closing price on bars that have a ridiculously large amount of volume. Okay. When we zoom out to the larger time frame, it's gonna look like it's flagging. I know that. So let's just go ahead and mark that. All right, let's go to the weekly. Another thing I don't like is, it's not that I don't like it, it's just divergent. I don't like it if I'm bullish. If I was bullish, I wouldn't like this because you have less interest. If you look at the volume, you get less and less volume over time, a distinct path and price. To me, that's divergence up here. Let's see. Maybe there. That's a good line. This thing is coiling, so it could be flagging. Could be a bullish flag where it breaks through this, it's going to run. If it breaks through this line, it will, it could do its thing. Let's check out the monthly. I mean, again, that's nutso. Now we're looking at the wave counts. The only thing that I find or am noting in this is the 23 million on top of less bullish waves. Each bullish wave is getting less and less and less, and then to me the bearishness or the bearish waves are getting larger and larger, right? So I think I think this is distribution. If I check the what is it? Not the wave count, but the point figure. I don't have that queued up, but it'd be interesting to see what this would target. Given this is, to me, I believe this is distribution. So if it is distribution and we're knocking, I think you could look for a third knock on this level, sign of weakness, right? I don't know how low it would drop, but then some retracement back up for a last point of support if you're a Wyckoff before a larger move down. That's my opinion. I would love some feedback because I'm a noob. Regardless, this thing is coiling. Weekly. Regardless, this thing is coiling. I would expect bearishness before any large bullishness. That's for sure.